I definitely just recorded this whole video and realized that I was recording my voice, but I was not recording any of the actual visual. So here I am again trying to get this done. So basically what I did was I came here, I went under animated social media. I seen this particular photo, the one right here in the yellow background. And I'll show you what I did. So this is the same one, but all I did was change the background to orange because that's the theme color of my store, orange. So that's why I changed the background color. And I left basically everything else and just changed the photos and added my website. So what I did with that was took it over to my Instagram. Here. So here it is right here on Instagram. And I literally just uploaded that. And these are some other ones that I uploaded too in the past. So let's just go here. And I'm just basically growing this channel organically. So that's why you don't really see much here right now. I'm just trying to establish my presence and let everybody know that, Manico Home Decor is an actual website. You are safe when you're using it, and you will get your product. Your information is secure and safe. I know a lot of people are, kind of wary when they're shopping online, so that's why establishing your presence online is very important. So if you're new to business, you definitely want to do that. So on this app, if you come back here, and I do have the premium right now because I let my free trial overlap where I started to actually have to pay, which was like $12.95, able to access all of the premium stuff that I was getting with the free trial, which I was just like, whatever, I forgot, so I'm just gonna let them have that, but I ended up canceling it, so I have until the 30th, and today's the 28th. I mean, there are some great features. I just feel like I can do a lot of stuff with the free features. Anyway, if you go to the top here, under create new design, you'll see that you can do all types of different things. So you can do a custom dimensions, where you basically put in your own dimensions, and I believe you probably just come up with like a blank white screen and you just do your own thing. You have Instagram posts. They give you different ones for Instagram posts. You can get some that are just a still photo, or you can get some that actually, have some words playing or some videos playing in the background. And they have some pretty cool things, If you have like a theme to your Instagram, if you're trying to brand yourself, like these right here are very nice. I like these two. This one is very cute, and this one is very cute. This one is really nice too. I like this one. I really like that. I think what I can do with that. This is where you can basically go and get creative with your Instagram posts, and people don't even have to know you have this app. They're just gonna be like, oh my gosh, like they just start posting all these dope, random, photos, and you might get all these new followers and blog you can come down here and post something to your Instagram story. You can make it cool. You can come down here and get some logo ideas, and I'm pretty sure everything on here is free to use, so you shouldn't have any problems legally, but don't take my word for it. Make sure you do your research. And you can come on here if you need to make a Facebook post. You got options to make flyers. Let's say you're in the cooking business, you can go ahead and make your flyer right here. What are you cooking this weekend? Prices down here. You don't have to use their template. I mean, you can use their template, but you don't have to use their style. If you want to switch it up, right here you can have what's on your menu and the prices. Right here you can have where you're gonna be on what day. Blah blah. So different things that you can do to make your place look professional, and not just to make your your business look professional. If you need to make a poster, if you have a rally going on, or a fundraiser, if you want to do invitations, you can do invitations for birthdays, baby showers, basically anything. You can make it your own. And a lot of the stuff, like to make it even more your own, if you want to, you can use your photo in the background. You can use their photo that they have, that's a stock photo. Like this right here, here's an engagement invitation right here. Like you can make it your own. You can use their photo, or maybe you took engagement photos. Maybe you already have your photos that you want to use. You can put that in the background, or if you want, maybe you can Google like a stock photo image or something like that. and then come back and just put it on the background here. They have different things like this right here. This is a nice invitation for something. This is a luncheon from the Cancer Foundation. You have all different types of invitations here. And you have social media posting, photo collages, presentation, business cards, you have brochures. And then you can actually take this to like a Staples or something, get them printed out, and get them folded, and actually hand them out. So that's always good to have. I think I might actually do that too for my store. Do like a brochure and then hand them out, show people what I have. Because there's nothing like passing something out, nothing like something that's tangible you can actually, see in your hand. You can definitely go to your website all day, but people have to physically, actually want to take the extra seconds to actually go to your website to go see what you have, versus if you give them something in their hand, like a template, a brochure or a pamphlet or something like that with your products in there, they can see firsthand what you got, and if they want to buy something, then they know they can go to your store. Here's some more YouTube things right here. Here's some channel art, so if you need to do like a background channel art, you can do that. Here's a cute one, a little beauty one. So you got thumbnails right here. If you have Pinterest, you got some ideas here. CD cover, recipe card, Facebook event cover, Facebook cover, email header, like all kinds of stuff. They have literally everything. So even if you do want to pay for it, it's definitely well worth it if you feel like you're going to be using this a lot, especially if you're in like the advertisement or marketing business. It's something good to have, so that way you have one up in the game, and with your clients you have access to all of these different things. They even have letters, lesson plans, a letter board. They have all type of stuff. LinkedIn banner, magazine cover, what kind of letter? Like, this is nice. You can personalize your letters. Like if you have with your business, I can basically change my colors to my business colors. And whenever somebody buys something to me, I can send a letter like, this is a letter from the CEO. Thank you for your purchase. We really appreciate it. Your service is valuable to us, and we hope you shop with us in the future. Signed, Jonathan. Whatever. But I wish I was recording earlier because I was way more detailed, and I actually showed you guys what I did to make the post that I just did on Instagram. But I'm still going through this just to show you all the different things that you can do.